So next question is, what are the various alternatives available for MATLAB? So we have another software that is Scilab. It's again like we have two version of Scilab. One is like kind of open source and kind of trial, and like another is basically paid version where you will have advanced features. And Octave is kind of clone of MATLAB where you will get all the functionality which are available in MATLAB is in the Octave. But the thing is, like for instance, like if you want to use it for some 5G application, but such toolboxes are not available since MATLAB is paid version, and like it is like developed by one of the company called MathWorks. So where they will maintain certain standard in developing certain functions, and like they will develop various libraries based on, like there are like thousands of employees which are working for who are working for this MATLAB. But in Octave, it seems like open source software, it may not be that powerful than MATLAB, but still like you can use like whatever the programs we study in these particular sessions, we can execute in Octave, and like certain commands might not work. That I will mention, like which command might not work in Octave, and like where you have to execute that in MATLAB. And like again, if your university or like companies like who provides, if that license is there with you, academia license with academia or corporate license with you, so then that license you can use it for your MATLAB. If you do not have license of MATLAB, then you can try. I mean, for learning purpose, you can try it. Okay. So and another is Python. Python is again one more powerful language where nowadays, like most of the even this is also open source, and will not guarantee you that like certain things which are like reliable, because like since like we are using for these MATLAB for very scientific computation purpose, maybe like some application where we are performing certain safety critical computations also, right? So then we need to have some certain certifications, and like we need to believe that truth before we do any analysis. So in case again, like MATLAB is more reliable, but for academia or study purpose, like we'll have various toolboxes which are available in the Python that we can use it for computing. Maybe like I'll show you how in, next some sessions I'll show you also like how we can use Python for scientific computing. Parallelly we'll see.